National Weather Service in Gaylord has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Crawford County in northern Michigan until 10:45 p.m. At 10:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Frederick, or 11 miles northwest of Grayling, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Frederick and Hartley Pines State Park around 10:05 p.m. Levels around at 10:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Crawford, Michigan,